Is your Dyson V8 Animal needing to charge more frequently? Do you only get a minute or two of vacuuming when you use the max setting? It might be time to replace your battery. Luckily, this EGR battery replacement is an affordable solution that works great. I'm probably a little like you. I'd gotten used to the substandard battery life of our Dyson and was starting to think about buying a new vacuum. Then EGR gifted me this replacement battery to check out, and holy cow, I had no idea what a difference it would make. Let me show you how easy it is. First, I removed the screws from the back, then I popped open the bottom of the dust collector so I could access the 2 screws on the bottom. I removed those, pulled out the old battery, and inserted the new one, and replaced the screws. It took me less than 10 minutes. And wow, what a difference. Our vacuum didn't even last a minute on max power, so I haven't used the function in years. This new battery gave me over 10 minutes of max power, and I can't even tell you the amount of dust and pet hair it pulled out of our clean carpet. And on the regular setting, it lasts seemingly forever. Before, I could vacuum about 2 rooms before the battery died. Now I can vacuum over 2,000 square feet. I should have replaced the battery sooner. This has likely given it years more use. And as a very nice bonus, it also comes with filter replacements. This EGR battery is amazing. I hope you like it too.